In addition to our 4 nutrient lines, Canna offers additives to help you get better results. Cannazym, for example, is a high-quality enzyme product. Cannazym accelerates the breakdown of dead root material, activates beneficial microorganisms, and keeps the substrate well aerated. Cannazym is suitable for use with any growing medium. Cannazym should only be added to the feeding solution from the 2nd week of cultivation onwards, every time you water. As the substrate dries out, the root sends out more root hairs, so that it can still absorb enough water and nutrients. When you water the plant, it doesn't need as many root hairs, and some of the oldest root hairs will be shed. Dead roots provide an ideal environment for molds, other fungi and bacteria. Cannazym consists of an enzyme complex. In this video, we will highlight the role of 2 of the functioning enzymes, in particular pectinase and endocellulase. Pectinase is an enzyme that enables the breakdown of pectin. Pectin is a bit like the glue that holds the plant cells together. The remaining enzymes in the cellulase complex break down cellulose after the pectin has been broken down. Each cell is surrounded by a cell wall, and the endocellulase breaks down these walls in the dead root hair, enabling the contents of the cell to be released. After the enzymes have broken down the root hair, microorganisms can absorb the nutrients, which are quickly converted into minerals and sugars. These can be absorbed by the new root hairs. An air pocket is left where the root hair was, helping to maintain the condition of the substrate by increasing aeration. Oxygen is very important for plant roots, enabling them to breathe and take in water and nutrients. It is also important for the beneficial microorganisms that are responsible for a healthy substrate. Using Cannazym correctly will give you the optimum results every time. Cannazym is perfect to use in combination with Canna Rhizotonic, Canna Boost, and Canna PK1314. The Canna additives work harmoniously together to ensure you get the best yields and quality from your plants.